Hi, myself Arun. I'm a planning engineer and the creator of this course. This course is for those who want to use Primavera in project planning. In projects, we planning engineers create schedule in a sequence. This course from starting to end, the sequence is same as the way we actually build schedules in projects in industry. Course contains how to use Primavera in project planning, very important project planning theories, many important reports like S-curve, histogram, many Excel lessons. So totally it's a project planning package, okay? And it's designed in very practical way, not like textbook teaching method. Also this teaching is different from you find in any institutions. Normally when we learn Primavera or any software from any institute, most of the teachers will be teaching you by learning the software. Many of them don't have industrial exposure. So when you study the course directly from a person who is using this software in industry, you will get more knowledge, and the support will also be more, because the person who is using this in industry is using it daily and is facing many problems on daily basis. He is facing problems and resolving it. So for problem solving, his experience will help you. I hope from this course you will get more knowledge, and I hope this course will be useful for you. I am always here to help you. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Okay? Thank you.